like to move to combat.
Yeah,
Monkey
buddy.
punches.
Steve, coming at you.
I'll block with Greg.
Okay.
Oh.
I would like to move to combat.
Yep.
Steve, two at you. Thanks, buddy.
I am going to block it.
That cobalt just taking the beats.
Yeah.
We'll do Ragavan, Steve.
Down to 35.
Get punched with monkeys.
I know.
They're
Just
Oh, I'm
Just
sorry.
smacking me in
All
the
the
face
fucking
with
monkeys.
bananas all day long. Are
Thank
you ready
you,
to
England.
see what you're...
Oh no!
I hope you run in hell.
That's super tough because like Tainted Pact is a really good card, but I had a plan, and I don't know that Tainted Pact fits into it. So
yeah, but when Steve has Thoracle in hand.
Welcome to Things in the Ice, a competitive VDH channel, where this week we're going to find out what happens to a toad when it gets struck by lightning. I'm Jerry.
And I'm John. We've got another episode of the Gauntlet for you today, where we throw a recent commander against some of the top tier decks in the format. And this time we are featuring our favorite mistress of elements, Storm.
It's going to be insane, and of course we brought our Storm aficionado Seth to run this deck. Let's get right to this action and see what kind of weather is brewing up at this table.
A storm's on the horizon!
Hey all, Seth here. This week I'm storming. With actual storm this time, I promise. So this is a really unique commander. You need to connect with combat damage, that's problem first. You need a storm count, that's problem second. But then you get to like do crazy crap like put storm on any spell. Extra turn spell, extra combat spell, draw spell, it doesn't matter. Whatever it is, you get more of it and then you win the game. Pretty neat. Opening hands, pretty darn good. Curve of 1. Got all the colors I need. Mystic Remora, counters to back it up. Ragavan for acceleration. Looks pretty good. Now, I will need to draw into something that fuels the storm, but with Ragavan and Mystic around, I think we're good.
What you pay for? Now sit back and open all wide. I never saw the need for remedy. See now, you see how they can reply.
welcome to the Gauntlet. Marvel's coming out, so Storm's coming out, and I play Storm, so I'm playing Storm. Let's check out these hands.
Woo! Hey, Seth, I heard you like Storm, so we put Storm in your Storm so you can storm while you storm.
Let me just say, deck research for this has been horrifically miserable because it's so hard to distinguish between Storm, the keyword, and Storm, the commander.
Hey,
Oh,
you
well.
know what? It should be synonymous as they are one.
Indeed.
I believe Sean is going first, so do we have any pregame actions?
Nope.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I had a feeling.
Gemstone Caverns.
Yeah.
Yep. We're gonna get rid of this Pact of Negation.
Ooh. Let's see that
No
go.
problems with that.
Yeah. Then we're good. Go ahead, take us away, baby.
Right, let's draw.
Mm.
That's a pretty card. Marsh Lats. I will crack it, go down to 39. All right, with that, I will get a Badlands, tap Badlands, and put out my monkey friend.
Oh,
I knew that was coming.
Yeah.
Dirty monkey. I know.
Pirate.
Yeah, monkey pirate. Yes.
All right, pass turn.
Untap, upkeep, draw. Okay. Windswept Heath. I will crack it. Go to 39. I'm going to go find a tropical island.
Resort and Casino.
From the Windswept Heath, I'm going to find this treasure island. I mean, tropical island. Sorry, I'm not in Vegas anymore.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to go ahead and play fish.
Oh. Stop it,
Pass
Steve.
priority.
You've got a mental misstep.
I don't have a mental misstep. I have 0 mana, so.
It's just a fish.
Jeremy.
Don't worry about it.
Jeremy.
Yeah, it's good.
It's just a fish in a storm.
Yeah, I have no response.
Fish resolves. Pass turn.
Okay. Untap. Upkeep, draw.
Now you have to feed it.
Oh, yeah. You're gonna get fed.
No!
Don't do it.
Polluted Delta.
Noise.
Crack it. Going down to 39. Off the Polluted Delta, I got an Underground Sea.
Shocking.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't feed it.
I am going to tap to play a Soul Ring.
Ah!
Would you like to pay the 4?
Go ahead and draw. I have to play my freshly signed Mark Poole Soul Ring.
It is
It's
nice.
beautiful.
It is
It
beautiful.
is.
That's how I'm justifying this.
Yes.
Do you pass priority on the soul ring?
Yes, I passed.
Do you pass priority on the soul ring?
Yes, I passed.
Oh, you gonna mental misstep it? What you got? Get him! Get him!
No, it's good.
Good. Okay, I was gonna cry.
Mental misstep is in his hand.
You don't know that.
Then I will play my guy, Rograk. Then I will pass.
Go. Play a Rejuvenating Springs. Looks so relaxing. We'll play a bop.
Bop.
Oopadop. And I'm also gonna play a mana vault.
Oh,
More mana. Good?
trigger.
You go right ahead. Alright, pass turn.
Untap. Upkeep, draw. I'm going to play the Verdant Catacombs. I will pay 1 life and crack it, going down to 38. With the Verdant Catacombs, I got an Underground Sea. I would like to move to combat.
Yeah,
Monkey
buddy.
punches.
Steve, coming at you.
I'll block with Rag.
Okay.
Oh! That's what I want to hear. Goodbye, Fierce Guardianship.
From there, I will pass the turn.
Wild. Untap. Upkeep.
He snap blocked that shit. It was just like,
Yeah,
I don't give a fuck.
That was premeditated. Steam vents for 237. Tap this ragamuffin.
Oh,
Another one.
God, that's
The
the,
monk-
art that I like.
The
better,
monkeys
though.
are multiplying.
I feel like I'm gonna get 28 days later here.
I think that's probably good, Pastor.
Untap. Upkeep. Draw. We're gonna play Odawara as land.
Good to see that.
Tap Soul Ring. We're gonna cast Rag.
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll pass.
All right, I'm gonna untap, upkeep, draw. I'm gonna go ahead and tap 2, and I'm gonna cast Kinnan. Tap for 4 with this mana vault and cast a 1 ring.
That's a good card.
Shout out, that's a good card.
Trigger pitch.
Oh no, I have 2 mana available to me.
I don't know.
I'm gonna Spirit Guide.
Yeah,
and-
just all of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, I'm gonna tap the 1 ring and draw a card. All right. See, I'm glad I did that instead of passing my turn because I'm gonna tap for 2, blah, and I'm gonna cast a Mystic Remora. Trigger Mystic Remora. You go ahead. It's fine, Steve.
What is with all the fish? Okay.
If we're good with
We're
fish,
good with the fish.
I'll pass.
You're good? Well, I'm not good with the fish. You can pay for that for a long time. So I'm going to mental misstep that. Go to 35.
Oh, no, I knew you had that this whole time. I'll use that other blue floating and cast a Swan Song.
Okay, sure.
Mystic
Yeah.
Remora. Go ahead.
On a mental mist.
God damn it.
You want to pay 4 for that?
Swan song. I cannot, so you get to draw.
I hate you guys.
It wasn't me this time. I'm not the bad guy.
All right.
We're all friends here.
No one gets a bird. No one gets fish. It was going to be a fun zoo, Steve. Why? Why do you do this to me? By the way, I really like your sweater.
Thank you.
It's very cute.
Modest Mouse Mushrooms.
Yeah. Pass the turn.
Untap. I'll keep and draw. I will play a Cavern of Souls.
Ooh. Naming.
Pirate.
Shocking.
Going to tap for 3 and play Malcolm.
Yar.
I would like to move to combat.
Yep.
Steve, 2 at you. Thanks, buddy.
I am going to block it.
That cobalt just taking the beats.
Yeah.
Pass the turn. Yep.
Untap, upkeep, by fish.
Bye.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Draw. Wish I kept the fish. Let's play a breeding pool. Shocking it in.
Pond.
I'll go ahead and cast a Mox Amber.
Ooh, yeah, I like it. I like it.
I'll go to combat.
Get to punchies.
We'll do Ragavan, Steve.
Down to 35.
Getting punched with monkeys.
I know.
They're
just
Smacking me in the
all the
face
fucking
with
monkeys.
bananas all day long.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, look at that.
Are
Thank
you ready to
England.
see what you're...
Oh no!
I hope you run, hell.
That's super tough because like Tainted Pact is a really good card, but I had a plan, and I don't know that Tainted Pact fits into it. So
Yeah, but when
yeah.
Steve has Thoracle in hand.
that can stay exiled.
Oh yeah! Now it's not even going to the graveyard.
These right, yeah, and we'll cast Storm.
Winds aid me.
All right, move to end step, and I will discard Ponder and Otawara.
I will go to untap my Soul Ring. Then I will upkeep and draw a card. We're gonna play an Ancient Tomb.
Isn't that special? You got a lot of colorless mana there, Steven.
Cast Rograk again.
Seems like I'm gonna
cast
now.
Silas.
Oh yeah, right.
I got a Death Touch 2/2 now. Then I have one floating colorless. I will tap the Ancient Tomb.
Take that too, Steve.
Take the 2, going down to 33.
Oh.
The Age of Our Lord. Then I'm
It's 2033? No, it's not.
I'm gonna play Grinding Station. Pass the turn.
I will go to untap, upkeep. I lose one from the One Ring.
And you lose 1 from Mana Vault.
Not yet, Steve!
Ah!
I will draw my card and lose one from Mana Vault.
Okay.
38. I will play a land for turn. It's a treasure vault. I would like more colored mana, to be honest.
Who can stop the monolith?
If I had one, I would like to find out, but let's go ahead and just draw 2 cards and hopefully rip a monolith right off the top. Let's go! Monolith! Let's go! Monolith! So I didn't draw a monolith. Let's see what else we can do. 2 for an Arcane Signet. I'm going to tap the bot for 2. Doesn't matter what color, because I'm going to play a Grim Monolith, not Basalt, sadly. We'll go ahead and cast a Manglehorn.
Oh.
That's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
There's so many like delicious, well, not Sean's board. So many delicious targets that you could mangle.
Yeah. I'm going to get to Mangling. Is
Yeah.
it good?
Yep.
No response.
No response.
Oh, that was third spell too.
Yeah. Mox Amber, get that shit out of here. And then remember, artifacts enter the battlefield tap, you ragamuffins. Pass the
Yeah.
turn.
Untap, upkeep, and draw. I will play a tapped Mox Opal. Not that it matters anyway.
Fuck you, mobile.
I don't have any other artifacts. And then I'm going to play a Volcanic Island. I'm going to move to combat.
Yeah.
Punchies. I got a 2/2, a 2/2. There's a 2/2 with Death Touch. There's a 3/4 with Flying.
And vigilance.
And Vigilance. I have no flyers. Steve has no flyers.
2 in the air at you.
Take it. Going down to 36.
And I get a tap treasure.
Yeah, that's right.
Mm-hmm.
Next
Tap
turn.
that treasure.
Next turn.
Mm-hmm.
Next turn.
Watch out.
I will cast Imperial Seal.
Getting Glentor.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
So I'm going to get this card, and then I'm going to lose 2 life, going down to 36.
Neat.
And then I will pass the turn.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Hit.
Uh,
Hold on to your butts.
Untap. Go to draw. I'll play a Talon Gates of Madeira.
Oh.
Okay.
What you exiling?
Ragavan.
Oh.
Phase out. Ragavan.
Yeah.
Okay, so Talon Gate's good. I'm gonna tap all of this bullshit. and we'll play a Storm Kiln Artist.
Oh, yeah.
I'll go to combat.
Yep.
Jeremy,
Yep.
Sean.
I will take 3. Oh, wait. I have no blockers. Go ahead and pass priority.
I am going to tap 3. And I'm going to Odawara Ragavan.
Oh.
Back to your hand.
No response to that Aurora.
Yep.
Declare blockers.
I have no blocks.
No blocks.
I'm going to pay 2 life
Oh.
and gut shot Bob.
Whoa, baby
Oh.
Bob. No, my baby Bob.
When I cast that, trigger Storm Kiln Artist.
Yep.
Create a treasure.
Yep. Tap.
Yep.
I have no responses to gut shots. I'm guessing no one else does, so goodbye, Bob.
Combat damage.
I'm taking it. I'm going down to 33.
Second main.
Yeah.
Let's do
Storm
it.
trigger on the stack will crack this treasure, and I'll put Treasure Cruise.
Oh!
What's the storm count?
3.
Oh my god.
Well, so I get 3 Treasure Cruises. Storm count is 2.
2. Yep.
Good
Yep.
resolve.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So it is actually cast. Copy
Yep.
from Storm Kiln.
Mm-hmm.
Resolving. Draw 3 cards.
That's odd.
It's on. That's 9 cards.
Remember before the game, you're like, Ponder or Treasure Cruise?
Yeah.
Well,
guess you chose-
Ponder's in the yard. I
What
got rid
was
of
the,
it.
the other card?
Opt or consider some other.
Yeah.
So second one, I'll get another 3,
He chose wise.
Yes.
and then actual Treasure Cruise, and I'll get 3.
Jesus Christ.
It's like it sounds horrible,
You gotta
and but
discard
like
that, yeah.
whatever the fuck, Manglehorn like kind of wrecks this a little bit.
Give him the horns.
We'll just let y'all mind break the Mox Opal that enters tapped.
No one gives a shit.
Nope.
It's just saying. Okay, so I'll move to my end step, and I'm gonna discard Lightning Greaves, Gemstone Caverns, Submerge, Time Warp, Scalding Tarn, and Wooded Foothills.
Oh, they're
Okay,
discarding Time
okay.
Warp, which is scary as fuck, because that's one of the win cons. So, well, not win cons. Just take 5 or 6
Dumb
extra
value,
turns,
yeah.
and then
3 extra
try to-
turns on
try,
top of this would have
try
been
to
sick.
win.
We
At your
did.
end step,
Yeah,
I'm going to activate Grinding Station.
Yeah.
I'm sacrificing Soul Ring,
nice.
mill top 3.
Oh!
I thought I was gonna get it, but what was it? Glinthorn!
Goodbye, Glenn.
Oh, now it's Breach Glinthorn though.
Yeah, but
Kite Sail?
oh, nice. Goodbye, pirates. Yar to the bottom of the
I
drink. with ya.
love that tech.
Okay.
I will take that hit so you can get your soul ring back.
Untap. Upkeep. Draw. I will go to combat. 2 at you.
Why don't you take on Storm Kiln Artist? Down to 34.
All right.
So then I'll take 2,
Yep.
31, cast my
Soul.
Soul Ring.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'm going to tap Soul Ring, use my floating colorless, have 3 colorless. I'm going to tap Otawara. I'm going to cast Ragra.
The Return of the Kobold.
Yep. I shall pass the turn.
All right. We're gonna untap. We'll upkeep, lose 2 life off of the 1 ring down to 31.
Now we're dead.
No. Go to draw, lose a life. Tap for 2 green, 4 colorless, and 5 colorless now.
Ooh, that's a lot of colorless.
Yeah, we're gonna Finale of Devastation, X equals 5.
Ooh.
That's
only
that's a
5.
Seedborn.
I have
that is
no
100%. I can't do anything. That's a Seedborn.
What can you do?
Look at my hand and say there's not any interaction in the yard and there's nothing in my hand, and
Keep
so I
in
made
mind-
all of the choices that I could make.
I will say this. It is a Seedborn, but hopefully what it will do is allow me to flip into something that will lock down Seth's turn from
And
Storm.
lock up the victory.
No, we don't know what's on the top. We never know what's on the top. It may be a bop.
It's not a bop. Bop's in your yard.
I know, that was
Okay.
Alright,
So,
we're gonna Finale of Devastation. X equals 5.
yep.
Off of the Finale of Devastation, I got this beautiful Seedborn Muse. What a shocker. I'm gonna tap to draw 3. a 1, a 2, a 3. I'm going to play a green dragon in its homeward path. I am going to play a lotus petal. We're going to tap for 2, play a Felwar stone. We're going to tap Felwar stone and cast a moon silver key, and I'm Jazz Hands.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
What a
Moon
turn.
Silver can get basalt.
Yeah. It can search for basalt.
So we have 1 turn.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I'm going to tap for 1 and sacrifice moon silver key.
Oh, I thought you had no mana. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, there's
Yeah.
still 2 more over there.
There's 2, but basalt monolith is 3. Is 3.
Yep.
Right. Off of the moon silver key, I got this. Shocking. Everyone, I know it's a basalt monolith. I now have 1 card in hand, and I will pass turn.
Untap.
Untap, comrade.
Phase in.
Hold on.
Somebody's slow about untapping.
At your upkeep, I have a response.
Surprise.
We're gonna flip first. Right. 1 colorless floating here. I'm gonna flip it. Big flips, big whiffs.
Sorry, do you have 1 colorless floating? I thought Monolith, you got 4, Arcane Signal, you have 2, and then Gemstone Caverns, is that your?
It's 1, you're right. I'm sorry. I do not have a colorless floating. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
I also cannot tap Soul Ring for mana because of Manglehorn.
Oh, yeah.
So I cannot play Ragnarok.
Ooh, good
That's a-
point.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so this would be untapped then.
Yep. Alright. We're gonna flip again. Sorry, Sean.
You're fine.
I'm gonna do a Wandering Archaic
That's pretty great.
against you. Go ahead, Shani.
I'm going to draw. I will play a mana confluence. I'm going to move to combat.
Oh, yeah.
So Ragavan at you.
Mm-hmm.
Malcolm at you.
Tick,
No
tick.
blocks. 29.
Love it.
Also 29.
Oh, buddies.
Oh,
You would have liked that, wouldn't you? Except for you.
I don't have any land.
I'm gonna let it
attached
stay in.
though.
Exile.
Okay.
Okay.
These are 2 more treasures. Over here. Not that it matters, though.
They're sacked.
I'm going to crack this, I'm going to crack this treasure for blue and tap out.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
wow. That's a lot of
Overloaded
mana.
Sight Rift.
Yep.
I'm going to overloaded Cyclonic Rift.
I love it.
Beautiful.
In response,
Storm count of 1.
I'm gonna go ahead and tap to draw 4 cards. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Yeah, there's also
I
one
can't
there.
pay for it. So like I said, I'm resetting it
The whole
because these
board.
will come to my hand.
Yep. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna copy that.
Copy that. Roger.
Yep. Yeah. God, that sucks. I had such a fun setup here.
Oh no, you'll just have to redeploy it next turn.
Yeah, but I could have just won next turn instead. That would have been
I
fun.
think you probably still can. Look at all the rocks you've got.
No, it's gonna be tough. All right. Yep. I have no response to Cyclonic Rift.
I have no response to Cyclonic Rift.
Yep.
All right.
I'm going to activate Grinding Station, sacrificing Soul Ring.
Who you milling?
You.
You got it. 3.
Yep.
Goodbye, Trophy Mage. Doesn't matter anymore. Machines Gods FG. That sucks. And Scalding Tarn. All right, we get to resolve 2, not just 1, but 2 Cyclonic Rifts.
2 Cyclonic
Hey.
Rifts.
It is fucking thematic. There's tornadoes happening in the storm. Fucking Gauntlet. Let's go.
Just everywhere.
Then I am going to play a Mox Opal. I will pass the turn.
Neat.
I told you I could take care of Storm.
Yeah, you sure
Tap.
didn't lie about that.
Keep. Draw.
I'm sorry. I'm at 33 because I tapped my mana confidence.
So I'll dash out Ragavan.
Okay.
A Mox Opal.
Good.
I'll go to combat.
Not it.
You're not it.
Oh no, absolutely. I want your deck.
Oh,
Oh. Mox Amber.
Oh hey, so I'll go ahead and cast that.
Oh, son of a-
that seems neat.
Yeah.
I guess I'm playing this game to play Storm, so we're gonna just play Storm. Cast Storm,
Yup, yup.
and I'll cast Tandem Lookout.
Oh, shit. That's not good.
What's that do?
That
so-
combos with Niv Mizzet.
It does combo with Niv Mizzet. So Tandem Lookout, Human Scout, 2/1 Soul Bond. As long as it's paired with another creature, each of those creatures has, whenever this creature deals combat damage to an opponent, draw a card. I'm going to pair it with Storm.
Oh.
Okay.
And that is all I got.
Upkeep, draw. Tap Ancient Tomb. Loading 1 colorless. Going down to 27. Then I will tap my 2 other lands to produce a black and a blue. Then I'm going to cast SILAS.
Nice.
From there, I'm going to cast a Mox Amber. And then I will pass the turn.
Alright, we're gonna untap, upkeep, draw. Play a command tower as land for turn. We're gonna tap these 2, for you know them, you love them. It's the KINNAN.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna play a Mox Opal, play a Mana Ball. That's good. We about to start getting fun. We're gonna tap for 2. Doesn't matter what color. I'm gonna play a Bellwar Stone.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna tap for 2. Gonna play an Arcane Signal.
Mm-hmm.
Gonna tap for 2. Gonna play a Grim Monolith.
Wow.
And I thought I was going to Storm.
We're gonna tap for 4 colorless. Use 3 of it, and we're gonna cast a Basalt Mine.
Anyone pass priority?
Yeah, I still have the nothing I had last time.
I don't have a response to the
Cool.
soul.
I'm gonna make 10,000 color or 10 million colorless mana. We good with that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna use 5 of it for a Wandering Archaic. We're also gonna cast the One Ring. The other 10, let's say I had 10 billion, 9, and 9. 10 billion and 9, I just use 9 of that mana, and then I'm gonna get 5 billion treasures by sacrificing Treasure Vault.
I'm gonna flash him Dockside Extortionist.
So, good old 5 billion treasures, and then I guess we'll use 5 of those 5 billion to play a Seaborn Muse. We'll also play a Manglehorn, and we'll blow up. Nope, it's not on.
Opal, Amber.
Your Amber. Now with this beautiful board set up, my plan is I'm going to use my 5 billion treasures to flip Cannon until I hit Thrasios. With Thrasios out, I'm going to start activating it and drawing my deck until I get Walking Ballista. I will then go ahead and cast Walking Ballista for, let's say, 420-69, and then ping everyone out.
I have a response. You start pinging.
Alright, go ahead, put it on the stack, baby. I do have all of my counters in my hand, just a heads up.
I'm gonna go down to 29 life,
Yeah.
and I will pay double Phyrexian for Sadness. I'm gonna put Sadness on the stack. It is split Sadness, so you can't do anything.
I can't respond, no.
I am going to be infinitely sad
Yeah.
and lose my will to play as well as this game.
Fair enough.
Once that's resolved, I'm going to also put Sadness on the stack.
Sad Panda. Steve, would you like to put Sadness on the stack?
No, I want to put Flusterstorm on the stack.
Yeah.
Shout out to Matthew from Germany, giving us these Sadness cards.
They're
They're
so
pretty
cute.
sick.
Well, that was a pretty great Gauntlet, though. I think Storm showed her true nature. And hopefully we'll get to see her again a little bit more. Because that, honestly, I think that was every time you were about to go to combat with Storm, I was like, is this it? Unbelievable. What a crazy game. Storm drawn 9 cards. That was pretty fun. What do you think of the deck? What do you think of its strengths, its weaknesses? Are you going to play it again?
So it is a ton of fun. It's extremely telegraphed, and if somebody repeatedly removes Storm, you're kind of not doing a lot. But what it does, putting Storm on literally any spell, is great. Treasure Cruise turning into 3 Ancestral Recalls, absolutely. Sign me up for that all day long. Will I play it again? Yes. I have some ideas for tweaks and tunes. There's a lot of different ways this deck can actually be brewed.
Super cool.
It's got a lot of versatility. I don't know that it really hangs with the top tier cEDH, but it can compete, and it is a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's
a ton of fun.
A ton of fun. The thing that really surprised me the most is your repeated ability to go for wins, though.
Yeah.
Like, if Storm is out on the battlefield, sure, one turn somebody may counter or stop you or remove Storm, but if you get her out again, it's like you could just go off again and take 5 extra turns or combat us to death with Storm. So,
Or wheel for 30-something cards.
Yeah.
It's wild. It is crazy.
super fun. Catch us next week and you might get a little more action of Storm.